All white like I'm missing, I got TZ in my switch. I dropped 2 guns in August, why that mixtape too official? Got 2 of everything, 2 watches, 2 chains and 2 pistols. Not just 2 pistols, 2 crystal. Extend those longer than pencil. Fuck you, me. I go off my team. Boy, fuck you thought, nigga, I ride designer, sorry this shit cost. I don't know what the fuck you bought, so you not from over there, but you over there, you getting whacked, well fuck you low. I done turned to the sandwich, this shit I got dope. All I hear with is killers, I ain't never got caught. My squad go crazy, I want Shotty go crazy. Know the boss folks crazy, be toting the 3-8. I dare nigga try and play me, I'ma lay his ass down like he lazy, but I ain't for none. They put a nigga on parole, see I couldn't walk around with no guns. Well, you can ask bro them, they can tell you about phone them. I have niggas see me and they run, cause they know I got it on. And I can murder my homie. I'm just riding around by my loadie. But she ain't just called saying you wanna ride with me. So I put him in the back, and I'm talking back a rolling, and that bitch go semi-automatic, it took off a nigga back. I wish a nigga would try run up on back. Yeah, I can fight, but I run out of strap. I run out of polar, nigga. Gotta keep a pole on me, nigga. I'm too low for a nigga. How you can talk for a polar, nigga, and you home already? Lord knows you done told a nigga. You guessing on the pole where it's cold, you can pose a nigga. Need a sweater or a coat, little nigga. No sense in humor, but if you walk around broke, little nigga, I laugh at that joke, little nigga, with your funny ass.
Fake ass shoes, your bummy ass. I can't rely. Why you start those dummy bags? They all getting money, man. Smoking those dope.
I feel you.
Oh that shit, I see you got a gun, you not on shit till you blow that bitch. I was a scared man, I be dead man, go get head man, try to get high the red man. Back so loud, I ain't hear what you said, man. You would never see me down, talk to the feds, man. Fuck what a nigga heard. PBT be the word, I'm just trying to get a town like the third. Round round with my bitch smoking her, got 2 twin 40s, that's the only thing is that hurt. Hell no, I ain't scared, I'ma let this bitch blow. Well, I got your bitch back, so you let that shit go. Yeah, I let some my dick, but I let that bitch know. Hell yeah, I got a bitch, so I let my bitch know. Cause it's levels to this shit. Rules, regulations, give me dumb brain like she never had no education. You ain't trying to kill nothing, boy, I see you hesitate. Shoot with your ass closed, fuck you doing meditate. Boy, if you scared, go to church, read Revelation. Quit the blow, thank the Lord, I got better patience. Niggas know, boy, I be high in elevation. But until the day you got spoke to a celebration. Hey, hold up. I be going crazy. Who the killer, nigga? Who the killer, nigga? You're not the killer. Ain't no killer, nigga.
Signaled for and taken successfully. Carolina getting set to take the field. And they're going to need another score. Got one last time, but still down here.
When you're playing catch-up, every possession becomes crucial, doesn't it? It's vital. Get back out on the field.
Yeah.
He goes down. They bring the safety on the blitz, and he busts through to drop it for an 8-yard loss.
How about that? One of the so-called little guys putting the pressure on. That was a strong safety. When I was in college, we often call that a lightning blitz.
There's Newton now on second down. Caught on the left side. That catch good for 5. It's third down. Completed pass on second down. Now it's third down as the defense looks for the stop. From the gun on third down, Newton escaping the pressure right. On the run, he'll let this go deep right side.
Claiborne. Good D, boy. You would have pumped the ball. I'm not playing with you, shorty. I'm not playing with this dude. What does he think this is?
Exactly what we saw there. A big play shot taken by the offense. Unfortunately, that ended in a big drop.
And Cam Newton's not coming off the field. He'll keep the offense out to go for it on 4. They are going to go for it. It's Newton.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds across the 35-yard line. Calling a gain of 13 yards.
What?
And on 4th and long, somehow they're able to keep the drive going.
How, Sway?
Offense comes to the line now, 1st and 10. They'll come out in the pistol. This is Tolbert, the fullback, and he is swallowed up right at the line of scrimmage. Calling no gain on the play, and it'll be 2nd down. Offense still needing 10 yards, 2nd down. And the D-line pinching together must be expecting the run. To throw on 2nd down is Newton. His throw incomplete. He was trying to get it to his fullback, Mike Tolbert, and now it's 3rd down. Offense trying to avoid stalling out, facing a 3rd and 10.
It's a tried and true formula, and I don't think it'll change for as long as we play football. If someone's trying to throw the ball, and you can put pressure.
Let's go.
Go down, a Cowboys sack.
4th and 18. Come on, G. Come on, G. Come on, G. Why does this dude keep playing with me?
And they're going to go for it. They come out 5 wide, 3 of them to the right side. Newton. He's going to go for a big play downfield. And it is incomplete. A surprising move to go for it. Predictably, at least
Let's go, man.
it doesn't pay off. And Dallas, they'll take over in terrific field position. And a great spot to start this drive from here. Prescott on 1st down. Got a man and he hits him in stride. And down inside the 15 he goes. A glance back at 2016 for Dez Bryant. 50 receptions, under 800 yards, had 8 touchdowns. What do you make of the season that Dez had?
Well, remember, it started with Dez injured, so it took a little while for him to get started. I'm going to make a bold prediction for you. Would not shock me at all if he doubled his catch number next year and darn near doubled his receiving yardage total. Because if he's healthy all year long, they're going to want to take some pressure off of the run game themselves, and Dak Prescott in his 2nd season should be that much more confident throwing it downfield.
And he'll take it into the end zone for a Cowboy touchdown. Jason Witten, an 11-yard touchdown. And the Cowboys will extend their lead.
The tight end position has always been dangerous, especially in the red zone, short field. But now even more so because these tight ends aren't necessarily the tight ends of old. They're the rocked-up wide receivers who have a little bit more speed, way harder to cover than before.
And his kick is right through. Bailey now to kick it away after the touchdown. And no return on this one as the fair catch is signaled for and taken. Carolina getting set to take the field. And last time this unit was out here, costly turnover, and then that turned into 6 points. They've got to make amends.
And how many times have we sat in meetings with coaches and they use the term complementary football? The offense take care of the defense, defense take care of the offense. That didn't happen on the last possession.
What?
This is a chance for them to pick themselves back up and help their team.
He's a
See if they
bum.
can recoup and recover. So an instance there of Cam being Cam. We know he can use his legs.
And with that big body, it's hard to get him down even if you get a clear shot on him. Plus, he moves it a lot faster than what people think. And boy, does he have fun playing the game of
This
football.
thing's a bum.
I like watching the wide receiver screen because it's a real teamwork play. Because guess what? The guy catching the ball, he'll get all the credit. But how about the people up the block in front of him, either fellow receivers or offensive linemen? That makes that play a really nice timing play, and sometimes it can break big.
Now a play fake here on 1st down.
Are you serious? Claiborne. I already smacked the shit out of you.
Ball pops out, incomplete.
I covered 2 cents was the perfect call at the right time. Claiborne. I'm glad we ain't got that name no more.
Receiver, we're still asking a lot of those guys. They have to block as well. Every now and then, they don't come down with the football.
And he's going to be wrapped up.
Jalen Smith, yeah.
Jalen Smith in there to get it. His 2nd sack now in the afternoon. And the defense will try and pin their ears back and get pressure again here after the sack. It's 3rd down. Newton to throw. Eluding the pressure right. They find some open field here. And he's able
No
to pick
fumble.
up the 1st down here before he goes down at the 26.
That's
So
all
here we
he
go,
did.
1st and 10 now.
That dude's a straight
Dare we
bum.
say stances, they know they've got a chance to get out.
Bomb.
This time it's he'll go down. They got him for a sack. Now whistles come in. We're going to get a timeout here by the offense. It's just their first, so they'll have 2 remaining here before we get to halftime.
Bomb.
And his throw here is incomplete. He was trying to get it that
He's
time
a
to take in, and it's
bomb.
3rd down.
It appears that the pressure is affecting him today. Normally, he knows exactly when to get rid of the football, but today, because he's been hit a few times, he's getting rid of it a little bit too quickly.
3rd and long, it's Newton. And he'll be hit as he releases it, and that'll fall incomplete.
I know ultimately that feels like a good defensive play, but I know it's really not. They had a chance to keep points off the board. Now they have a chance to kick a field goal by missing that shot.
Yeah, especially at this spot in the field. He's got to be upset he couldn't come up with that INT. On 4th down, Newton. And he finds him.
Are you serious, bro?
Now hold everything here. We're going to get a timeout by the offense. So that means they're down to 1 remaining here as we head toward halftime. And now a 1st down following that long gain. They come up in an empty set. 4 wide receivers, 1 tight end.